this is Dirk. We're out driving our 78 GMC Jimmy. You can see it's got a nice shine on the hood. We repainted that. You can see we got 3/4 tank of fuel. See, this probably come out of Canada originally, because if you look, the main speedo on the outside is in kilometers, but it's put an adapter on it, so that is correct. So 60 is what I'm running. So probably was a Canadian truck. Nice running, nice driving. I bought it up in right up by the Canadian border, North Dakota. Gauges work. This is just a good solid truck. I'll try to see if the cruise works. I don't expect it to. Equipped to cruise, but does not. And being probably a Canadian truck and then staying in North Dakota, that's why it doesn't have any air. You don't need it up there, so I very rarely need it in South Dakota here. But power windows, locks, Sierra Classic, so just a nice driver quality truck. So if you're looking for an affordable Jimmy in the real square bodies, original 73 to 80 square bodies, this one will fit the bill. Real decent truck, pretty solid, no major issues at all. 605-695-7391.